from this beta is equal to we'll get kn2 into 1 plus b delta. So this one already we derived that. In all terms we have k. In any way you can do, no problem. In all terms we have k. That's why I'm taking k common. Then beta by k minus n2 also I'm taking this side. Then n1 plus b into n1 plus n2 minus n2. First of all, in the all the terms you can take k common. Take this k to the LHS side, then beta by k. Then you'll get n2 plus beta n1 minus n2b. Okay, if you want, you can write this step. Beta by k is equal to some approximations here we have. Don't confuse. N2 plus here b n1 b n1 minus b n2 b n2. This we have. Then I'm taking this n2 to the left side. Beta by k minus n2 is equal to this one. Beta by k minus n2 into b into n1 minus n2. Okay. Then from that, beta by k is equal to, again I am taking n2 right side, then b into n1 minus n2 plus n2. We know that n1 minus n2 by n2 is equal to delta. N1 minus n2 by n2 is delta. So here I am dividing with the delta here, sorry, n2 here. Otherwise, from this delta is equal to n1 minus n2 is equal to delta n2. In place of n1 minus n2, I am substituting delta n2 from this equation. Beta delta n2 we get beta by k so delta n2 I am taking common. So k into this one will get finally. This is final equation. Beta is equal to kn2 1 plus b delta. 1 plus b delta. Or up to k, up to beta I can write. Then from the group delay, tau z by d, tau by d is equal to 1 by c into d beta by dk we are taking. Okay, so we know that group delay expression. From the group delay, we are taking this expression. Tau by d is equal to tau by d, we are taking tau by 1 by c into d beta by dk. D beta by dk. We have that expression. This one. Tau by d is equal to d beta by dk. C into d beta by dk. 1 by c into d beta by dk. From the group delay. So from where we are getting is nothing but from group delay we are getting tau by z is this one. Substituting in beta in this equation. Beta tau by tau, again I am saying that tau is nothing but group delay. If it is for material, tau matter. If it is for waveguide, tau waveguide. Tau waveguide is equal to this d coming this side, d by c into d by dk of beta. Beta value already we derived that. Okay, substituting there, d by c, d by dk of kn2 1 plus bz, kn2 plus kn2 bz, b delta. Differentiate with respect to dk, then we will get d by c into k n2. So k is 1, then n2 plus d by dk of k n2 B delta, where N2 delta is a constant, N2 delta is a constant, then d KB. So this will get, for waveguide, we are getting simplifying like this. For small values of delta, V is equal to K and dV is equal to dk. For small values of delta, V is a V number. V number is equal to propagation constant K. That's why dV is equal to dk. Then finally, waveguide time delay. Tau wave is equal to d by c into n2 plus n2 delta into d by dv of vb. In place of v, k we are substituting v. This is the final one. Then next, find out dispersion. Dispersion. Just 1 or 2 minutes you can wait here. Up to now, tau wave you have to find. This is one assumption. You have to remember, at some small values of delta, v is equal to k, dv is equal to dk. Substitute these values in the above equation, then you'll get a t wave, tau wave is equal to d by c into n2 plus n2 delta into d by dv of vb. No need to differentiate this. Then find out pulse spreading. Sigma wave is given by sigma wave is equal to d by d lambda of tau wave into sigma, this one, sigma lambda. We know that d by d lambda of tau wave into sigma lambda. Then d into d waveguide of lambda into sigma lambda. Same as a material dispersion. Same as material dispersion, where d wave of lambda is defined as the whatever the constant term. D wave of lambda is equal to n2 delta by lambda c, n2 delta by lambda c into v d square vb by dv square. Here we are differentiating with respect to lambda tau g. That's why we are getting this value d square vb by dv square. V into d square by dv square into n2 delta by lambda c is the waveguide parameter, waveguide dispersion parameter. Over. All this you can write up to 60 equation. In maximum textbooks, this is not mentioned. Directly has given this formula. Directly they gave this formula. I want to show this. See here, in waveguide dispersion, tau g is a d by c. In place of distance, he has taken as a length L, n2 plus n2 delta dkb by dk. He has taken, and tau g is d by c, n2 plus, but then we are checking here. See here, tau g is d by c, n2 plus n2 delta d by dv of vb. Okay, that is mentioning here. Okay, so but he has not taken as a waveguide parameter. Okay, so you have to read completely. So here we have some points are missing. That's why I can write completely. Up to here only they gave in some textbooks. So again, our main aim is to find the dispersion. So the waveguide dispersion parameter also you can write, and delay, waveguide delay is also you can write. If you differentiate waveguide delay with respect to lambda, then you'll get t wave of lambda. All those you can write. Over. All of you. Is clear? completed. If you have any doubts,
Sir,
we will
yes,
see once again this derivation.
Yes, sir.
Once again, go through this complete derivation. You can able to understand. Maybe somewhat lengthy, but it is easy. So here, main you have to concentrate on material dispersion and aggregate dispersion, and in the next class we'll go for intermodal dispersion. Intermodal dispersion, that is also one of the easy concept. Any doubts, anyone? Anyone?